Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire step by step. First, let's set up the game. You'll need a standard deck of 52 playing cards. The primary objective is to move all cards to 4 foundation piles, building each one up in ascending order from ace to king by suit. The initial layout, called the tableau, has 7 columns of cards, which we will explore next. Now let's look at the tableau. The first column contains 1 card, the second has 2, and this pattern continues up to the 7th column, which holds 7 cards. Only the very top card of each column is face up, while the others remain face down. You can move these face-up cards between columns, building them in descending rank and alternating colors, for example, a red queen on a black king. As you play, you can move individual face-up cards or entire sequences of cards between tableau columns. If you create an empty column, only a king can be placed there to start a new sequence. The cards not used in the initial tableau form the stockpile. When you run out of moves on the tableau, you can draw cards from this stockpile, usually 1 or 3 at a time, to reveal new options. The ultimate goal is to build up the 4 foundation piles. Each foundation starts with an ace and is built upwards by suit, all the way to the king. As soon as an ace becomes available, move it to its respective foundation pile. Continue placing the next card of the same suit on top. You win the game of solitaire when all 52 cards have been successfully moved to their correct foundation piles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.